All right, what's up everybody? It's a little bit of a different style of video today, I guess you can say, where we're not doing any kind of a car repair or anything too wild, I guess you can say. I'm going to the junkyard. So I've got a few things on the list that I'm going to try to find, which I will show you guys once we actually get there. But as you guys can see, I busted out the old diesel today because I don't want to go to the junkyard with the CL63 and put dirty parts inside of it. But we're out here with the old school OM606 C300, the 210, and we are heading to the junkyard here in Vegas, the one in Henderson, because that's where the car that I need, or at least I should say the part that I want the most is there. And I'll show you guys. When you see it, you'll kind of know what I'm talking about, but I'll see you guys there. All right, here we are. We finally made it to the junkyard. Now I gotta walk all the way to the end. That's where the German cars are located. Here we have a lot of the Japanese stuff. G35, pretty popular cars. All right, here's what I'm here for. This is a 2008 E350, but look at these. Look at this. This is very rare. I believe this is a Designo option, white seats. I'm not here for the seats though. Oh, panoramic sunroof too. On an E350, this thing was optioned out. I'm here for the door panels. I'm going to put these on my E55 because they just look nice, and I'm going to do my seats later on. I might also take this because this is in really good condition and matches my car. I got to be honest, this all looks really good. Even honestly, the steering wheel, I mean, it's kind of cracked, but ooh, that's there, and I need that. We're going to have a nice little parts haul. I wish I had a cart, but we'll just have to do this. So let me kind of get to work here. Okay, so to remove the rear door panel, there's a couple of T25s. So there's one right there. You got to pop this little SRS thing, as you guys can see it in there, and then we got to pop down this panel right here. Comes down like that. And then there's two of them in there. And then everything else is just clips. You just kind of pry around the door and it comes off. So let's start ripping this off. But yeah, I mean, a lot of people might be like, oh, I guess that's too. Okay, those are 30s. Some people might be like, you came all the way out here just for door panels? Heck yeah, I did. Look how pretty these are. And it saves me from having to do it myself at the house. I mean, this is all done by Mercedes originally. Why would I not just buy these? I mean, if I walk out of here with $100, that's fine. You know what I mean? I really like it. I mean, I'm a big fan of white interiors, and this was a really pretty car. I wonder why it's here. And you kind of have to ask yourself, but it's a shame. Crying shame. Now, I did also forgot to mention there's one in there. You got to take the ashtray out, and then that's it. And then just clips. You just pull the door and it comes off. I'll show you guys. So the main reason I got a new door panel is because, well, I'm missing this, but now that I realize, I forgot to get this from Junkyard. So yeah, but okay. Also, this doesn't look very AMG like. I mean, it's just whatever. And then I'm planning on doing the black and white theme, so the seats are going to get reupholstered at some point because they're destroyed, and I'm going to go with a with white seats. I'm going to have them redo that in white, so it's going to look pretty good. I can't wait. But to take it off, pretty simple. You take off this panel right here. This thing, you pull it down with a screwdriver. Two T30s are in there. This little one right here, I believe, is a T25 that comes out. It's right there. And then there's another one right there that we just gotta shimmy out. So as soon as that comes off, we're gonna rip this door panel off, and there's just a bunch of clips. I mean, it's fairly easy. You do have to take this off on the fronts, which we will take off. So don't just go trying to rip this off, because you will break something. I promise you that. So come on, bolt. Oh, this thing can't be serious. There we go. There we go. And no, I did not keep any of the bolts, if that's what you guys are about to ask. So just kind of pry on this a little bit. A lot easier with two hands instead of one, but you just kind of pry on there. Pops out. This thing can't come off. Let me attempt to take it off. Again, much easier with, oh, okay, nice. And then we just grab the screwdriver and should just, I typically like to start from here. You just kind of put the screwdriver in and just do that. Let's see how the door, see See, the whole door comes off. Ideally, you don't want to break any of the clips, but it's never guaranteed. And then you come up here and you kind of just lift on the door. You lift it up. As you lift it, it comes off. But let me put you guys down because it's much easier done with two hands. Well, I'm at the gas station. I'm with the infamous E55. We're getting 91 premium because that's all you should put. I did it. I finally finished it. Let me show you guys the finished product. That's what it looks like. You can see on the other side too. So it's pretty nice. I like it a lot. I cleaned them up a little bit with some interior detail cleaner. Need a little bit more cleaning, but looks pretty good overall. I'm a pretty big fan of how well it turned out. Next up, I got to reupholster these seats, get better leather because they're all cracked, and then I'm going to do the same white in the center of these and then on the back seats as well. So yeah, but it's pretty good so far. Alrighty, well, we're done. I guess a close to this video, you could say. We have the new door panels, and whatever you may say, they are a little dirty. I need to get like a brush and some nice cleaning to go through them because I just kind of ran through with the interior cleaner, but I like them a lot. But yeah, I got to take this door panel off again because I know I put the latch on, but I guess it probably came loose or something. So I got to put the latch back on. Whatever, we'll get that done. But yeah, now honestly, these look more AMG than the regular ones I had on the car because look, you can see that the leather. You see how it's like kind of folded? It looks really good. The rears are like that too. Specifically, see, I mean, look how nice that looks. I mean, I like it a lot. And for what I'm planning on doing with this car, you know, I told you guys the center of the seats are going to be white. We're going to have the center of the rear seats white as well, or at least this cream color. I can't wait. It's going to be really, really good. And I'm very excited about where this car is going to end up soon. I just got to actually figure out the mechanical stuff of it, like the ESP light for the, not the clock screen, the other thing I told you guys last time, the steering angle sensor, there it is. So I got to figure that out and then figure out why I can't pass smog with the car. EVAP and O2 sensor heater. I still haven't done anything on it because I've just been busy. I had to do my door regulator, window regulator on the CL because it decided to go kaput like 2 weeks ago, and I had to drive around with the window open about this much, and you can see I'm wearing a hoodie. It's actually kind of cold in Vegas now, so yeah, but I replaced that. It was really easy. No rivets, which I think this car actually also has rivets on the regulator, which sucks, but there's no rivets on that one. So really, really good. This one, I got really lucky when it came with these doors. I saw the car on their website, Nevada Pick Apart, and I saw the interior and I was like, I need those door panels. And I got pretty lucky because they're also shaded ones, just like my E55 has shaded ones. They're not perfect, but I mean, I never use these shades anyways because my tint on this car is, let's just say it would make California cops make them want to track me down because, yeah, look how dark it is. So these shades are never used anyways. I have never used them ever in this car, but I am a massive fan. I'm excited. This was a different kind of video, you know, not our regular stuff that we've been doing, but let me know what you guys think about these. I am in love with these door panels. I like them a lot. Again, yeah, this one too, I gotta figure that out, but I like them a lot. I'm a big fan of these. I wish the car was like an AMG so I could have just taken the seats and called it a day, but it wasn't, unfortunately. And I'm not gonna, the car that I took them off of was a 2008 E350 4MATIC. This E350 had to be the most highest spec E350 I've ever seen. Exactly like that car. Literally the same color as that car, but fully loaded. White Designo seats. It had panoramic sunroof, wood steering wheel. They were heated and cooled. And I think it even had Distronic. I mean, for an E350, somebody went to town. They probably made it more expensive than an E63 back in 08, but I like it a lot. I'm a big fan of these. Like I said, I wish I could have gotten the seats, but that's why they have these, well, I'll show you guys these paint things that I'm working on where we're going to be able to paint the seats and make them look really cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you guys want to see. E55, I'm just slowly doing things to it. CL, I'm going to replace the windshield soon, and like I talked in another video. But yeah, pretty much for the E55, that's it. I mean, we're pretty much done with this interior video. I need to find somebody in Vegas that can reupholster these seats because these seats are, well, the driver's side one is horrendous. I mean, the guy I bought them from scammed me for sure. Whatever though, I just need to get the seat reupholstered and, you know, go from there. So yeah, you guys let me know what you think about the white. Do you guys prefer the regular black that the car had, or is this nice? I like this a lot. I've always wanted a white cream interior mixed with black. Not like a full beige one, but like black and then this. I think it's super pretty. So let me know down below what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.